Ant Academy.
I feel alone. I am waiting a long time. If someone come, I can speak with them, but anyone not come. I don't know why they are afraid come to this house.
Oh, anyone, not in this house. Rita, Rita, come quickly. Charlie, Charlie, where are you? Where are you? I am here. Rita, I am in the cemetery. Oh, come quickly.
Ghost, someone come, someone come.
Anyone not come this cemetery? Who is come inside? Who is screaming?
Oh, how can I work with them in my house? Every time they sleep in afternoon, how I control them? Every time is screaming. I told them not to sleep.
Jenny, don't scold them. They are still children. Don't scold. It's no good. Don't sleep after all. Do you